Throughout history, human beings have peered into the night sky and recorded the glowing lights that flicker and move above our heads. The first maps of the stars and planets were drawn on the walls of caves, recorded as calendars, and tracked with astronomical symbols. As time progressed, books and written records became the main sources of information, reflecting how people of that era understood the cosmos. Hello, and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. As technology advanced and our understanding of the universe grew more sophisticated, we discovered more worlds in our solar system. Moons around Jupiter and Saturn, ice giant planets, and frozen dwarf worlds. However, there were also many hypothetical worlds that were never found, like the planet named Vulcan. In the early 1800s, Vulcan was believed to be the closest planet to the Sun, even closer than Mercury. Many reputable astronomers claimed to have observed it, but it turned out not to exist. They were likely observing sunspots instead. Another hypothetical world, named Nemesis, was proposed in the mid-1980s to explain Earth's periodic mass extinctions. The theory suggested a giant object at the edge of the solar system could push comets into a collision course with Earth. However, such an object has never been discovered. More recently, there has been a worldwide hunt for an elusive Planet 9 beyond Neptune. But as of August 2023, nothing has been found. It seems we are always searching for new giant planets lurking in the shadows of our solar system. One of the most fascinating hypothetical planets is Phaeton, believed to exist between Mars and Jupiter as the true fifth planet from the Sun. But what led scientists to search for this mysterious world? Why did they think it existed? And what did they discover in its place? You're watching V101 Space. My name's Rob, and if you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell to never miss an upload. The discovery of Uranus by William Herschel in 1781 reignited interest in our solar system. As the first planet discovered in thousands of years, astronomers eagerly began searching for new planets. However, finding a new planet is like finding a needle in a haystack, given the vastness of the solar system. A mathematical method known as the Titius-Bode law emerged at the time, predicting the distances of planets from the Sun, suggesting a missing planet between Mars and Jupiter at around 2.8 astronomical units. On January 1, 1801, astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi spotted a new dot of light, initially thought to be a comet. He named it Ceres, after the Roman goddess of agriculture. Ceres seemed to fit the Titius-Bode law almost perfectly, despite being fainter and smaller than the known planets. This led many to consider it the missing fifth planet. However, the excitement waned as more objects, Pallas in 1802, Juno in 1804, and Vesta in 1807, were found sharing similar orbits with Ceres. It became clear that these were not major planets, but a new class of objects. For a brief period, textbooks listed 11 planets in our solar system, including these new discoveries. By 1860, it was accepted that Ceres and similar objects were not major planets, but asteroids, and the region they occupied was named the asteroid belt. The Phaeton hypothesis suggested these asteroids were remnants of a destroyed planet. Named after a mythical Greek character who disastrously drove the sun god's chariot, the hypothesis proposed that this planet was torn apart by gravitational forces, collisions, a hypothetical brown dwarf, Nemesis, or some catastrophic internal process. However, studies showed that the asteroid belt's total mass is only 4% of the Moon's mass, insufficient to have formed a planet. Instead, the asteroids are remnants from the solar system's formation, a window into our past. Had Phaeton existed, it might have been a small, barren planet with little atmosphere and no magnetic field, potentially harboring an ocean of liquid water beneath its crust. Despite its non-existence, the story of Phaeton inspired both science fiction and scientific exploration. It remains a fascinating tale of a planet that was theorized, sought after, and ultimately disproven. I hope you enjoyed this fascinating look into the hypothetical world of Phaeton. If you did, tap the like button and subscribe. There is plenty more to come. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. In the vast expanse of our solar system, the space between Mars and Jupiter is notably occupied by a dense collection of asteroids, collectively known as the asteroid belt. However, theories and scientific curiosity have long speculated about the existence of a mysterious planet, once present in this region but now seemingly vanished. This hypothetical planet is commonly referred to as Phaeton. The hypothesis of Phaeton. The concept of Phaeton originates from early astronomical observations and theories, particularly those made in the 18th and 19th centuries. One of the key influences was the Bode law, a mathematical formula that seemed to predict the spacing of planets in the solar system. According to this law, there should be a planet between Mars and Jupiter. The absence of a major planetary body in this region led to the hypothesis that a planet once existed but was destroyed or never fully formed, leaving behind the asteroid belt. The catastrophic destruction theory. One of the prevailing theories suggests that Phaeton was destroyed in a catastrophic event, possibly a massive collision with another celestial body. This collision could have shattered Phaeton into countless fragments, forming the asteroid belt we observe today. This idea aligns with the presence of a wide range of asteroid types in the belt, varying in composition and size, which could represent remnants of a once larger planetary body. Proponents of this theory argue that such an event could also explain the irregular distribution of mass within the asteroid belt, as well as the presence of some relatively large asteroids, like Ceres, Vesta, and Pallas, which might be sizable remnants of the erstwhile planet. The failed planet hypothesis. Another theory posits that Phaeton never fully formed as a planet. In this scenario, the strong gravitational influence of Jupiter could have prevented the material in the asteroid belt region from coalescing into a single, coherent planet. Jupiter's immense gravity may have stirred up the material, causing collisions and preventing the accretion process necessary for planet formation. This hypothesis suggests that the asteroid belt consists of primordial material that never managed to coalesce due to gravitational perturbations. It provides a natural explanation for the variety of asteroids, both in size and composition, as remnants of a primordial solar system that failed to form a planet. Evidence and modern perspectives. The idea of Phaeton remains speculative, as direct evidence for a destroyed or failed planet is challenging to obtain. Modern space missions and telescopic observations have provided valuable data on the asteroid belt's composition and dynamics, but they have yet to conclusively support or refute the existence of a former planet. Nevertheless, some scientists believe that ongoing and future missions, such as asteroid sample return missions, could provide insights into the history of the asteroid belt. By analyzing the composition and age of asteroid samples, researchers may uncover clues about whether these bodies are remnants of a larger planet or simply primordial material. Conclusion. The mystery of Phaeton, the unknown planet between Mars and Jupiter, continues to intrigue astronomers and enthusiasts alike. While the concept remains theoretical, it provides a fascinating lens through which we can explore the history and evolution of our solar system. Whether Phaeton was a real planet that met a catastrophic end or a planet that never fully formed, The study of the asteroid belt offers invaluable insights into the processes that shaped our celestial neighborhood. As our technology and understanding of space continue to advance, we may one day uncover the true story of this enigmatic region.